Where is she?
Hey, Amanda, it's
Yeah.
Teepa.
Well,
Yeah,
hey, where's my daughter? She was
you're
supposed to be coming in today.
so you were looking for your daughter. You were thinking she should be here now.
She said she was going to come back today.
She said she was coming back today and she's not here.
No. And then I talked to
Yeah.
her and she said that they're not letting her come. Why won't you let her come?
Oh, so she was telling you that she's not allowed to come in. Yeah. There's this ugly virus going around, and people are really concerned that if we have a lot of people in and out, people coming and going, it increased the risk that somebody will end up getting really sick. And so we've had to limit it, but I
I'm
know,
not sick.
no, ma'am, you are absolutely not. And it doesn't seem fair.
No. Why are
Really
they doing
fair.
this?
Yeah, well, it's one of those things where they've made some new rules, and I don't like them either, but they're saying it makes us safer. And I don't know if I agree with it. But you know what I did? I got up with your daughter and I
Oh,
asked her for a couple of things because I knew from what she said, she wasn't going to be able to coming in. But what I asked her to bring
oh, look.
is some of the baby pictures.
Oh, yeah.
And she said, you knew who this was. So I
Let me
thought,
see. Let me see. Oh, I know exactly who. There's
look here.
there's
This
baby
is him.
Seb.
That's him a little later, a little older. Baby Seb is right.
That's
Look
right.
at that. He's sitting in the refrigerator.
That was a naughty boy.
That is a naughty boy. He does know how to do that, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, and here he is looking really cute.
Oh my God. That is I remember that one. That's my laundry room right there.
That is your laundry room right there. And he's in that basket.
Oh yeah. Oh.
He's a trip. He's something else. Look at that little face. Oh my heavens. So what did you all notice? So what you noticed is at first, Amanda was pretty distressed that her daughter couldn't come and the rules had changed. And I had to do a little homework. And my homework was getting up with the daughter. If you couldn't come in, what are some things you think she'd recognize and enjoy looking at that I could bring family to her? So I asked for a picture book of the babies. I also asked for a set of pictures of things that she either liked or didn't like so that we could take a look at those and do that. I asked them to think about sending a few cards in that we would be able to look over and read about. And then finally, I pulled this because, you know, we can make her something, even though she can't come in. And so it's going to put a little more strain on me, but actually it's a little easier to have a plan than just have things happen. And the reality is there are a lot of people living in community settings, in a community, in a group, in a residential program that are now have limited access to their family members and family members who have limited access. Of course, we do have the Zoom option, and sometimes that's the best thing. What we're doing is not a bad plan, but sometimes we might want to remember props are really important, but the most important thing of all, remember what your PAC skills are. Being responsive, being in the moment, and being with someone in support is the most important thing we have to offer. So hope that's a way to deal with a difficult situation when somebody is really missing people that usually come in. It's going to take a little more on our part, but without that, things could really fall apart.